What if I told you the moon, the same calm, glowing orb you've stared at since childhood, was once drenched in fire, shattered by cosmic violence, and may still be hiding secrets about how we came to exist? Because beneath that gentle silver glow lies a history darker, bloodier, and far more mysterious than you've ever imagined. This isn't just the story of the moon. It's the story of how death in space gave birth to life on Earth. Billions of years ago, our planet wasn't the calm blue marble we know today. It was chaos, a fiery young Earth spinning under constant bombardment from space debris, its surface molten and unstable. Then came the impact. A planet roughly the size of Mars, scientists call it Theia, slammed into Earth with unimaginable force. The collision vaporized both worlds, hurling molten rock and metal into orbit. From this inferno of destruction, a new body began to take shape. Our moon. Think about that for a second. The moon you see tonight was born from apocalyptic fire. But that's just the beginning of its dark story. Early on, the moon wasn't cold or silent. It had volcanoes that spewed rivers of glowing lava across its surface. The dark patches you see today, the Maria, are ancient scars of these violent eruptions. For centuries, people thought those dark plains were oceans, hence names like Mare Tranquillitatis, the Sea of Tranquility. But in truth, they are vast graves of solidified fire, the silent remains of a world that once burned. Here's where it gets eerie. Without the moon, we might not even exist. Its gravitational pull steadies Earth's tilt, keeping our seasons predictable. It stirs the tides, driving the rhythm of the oceans, and perhaps the rhythm of life itself. In a sense, the moon acts like Earth's guardian, but also its puppet master. Every wave that crashes, every tide that retreats, it's the moon's invisible hand pulling the strings. And every year that hand drifts farther away. Yes, the moon is escaping us, moving about 3.8 centimeters away every year. Someday, millions of years from now, it'll be too far to control the tides as it does today. The Earth will wobble. The nights will grow darker, and humanity may not be around to see it. Throughout history, humans have feared and worshipped the moon. Ancient civilizations thought it was a god or a curse. The word lunatic literally comes from luna, the moon, because people believed it caused madness. Full moons were blamed for everything: werewolves, witches, and human insanity. Even today, hospital workers and police swear that strange things happen when the full moon rises. Coincidence? Maybe. But the moon's pull seems to go beyond the oceans. It tugs at the human mind itself. When astronauts first walked on the moon in 1969, they brought back more than rocks. They brought mysteries. The moon's dust was sharper than glass, clinging to their suits, cutting their gloves and making them cough. They described the smell as burnt gunpowder. Some rocks they found were older than any found on Earth, meaning the moon holds pieces of a time before even Earth stabilized. But here's the strangest part: the moon rings like a bell. When Apollo astronauts dropped their used modules onto its surface, seismometers recorded vibrations that echoed for nearly an hour, almost as if the moon were hollow. NASA doesn't claim it literally is, but the phenomenon still baffles scientists to this day. And in some craters, sunlight has never touched the ground. These eternal shadows hide ice, ancient, untouched, and older than humanity itself. Perhaps one day, that ice could sustain future lunar colonies. Ironically, the same frozen darkness could also hold clues to life's origins. So the next time you look up at that pale, glowing circle, remember, you're not looking at a peaceful nightlight. You're looking at the scar of a cosmic war, a relic of fire, silence, and mystery, forever orbiting the world it helped create. The moon doesn't just watch over us. It reminds us that even in the darkest places, destruction can give birth to light. So, what do you think? Is the moon our friend or a haunting reminder of what space can do? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if this story made you see the moon differently, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more cosmic mysteries every week.